When we say take care, we mean it. As soon as COVID-19 hit, we moved quickly to implement nearly 100 actions to give our guests peace of mind when they fly. You'll see our commitment to next-level care throughout your travel journey in 5 important areas. When you have to face the world, we want to make sure we're all doing it safely and with each other in mind. All of our employees are required to wear face masks, just like we've asked guests to do. If you forgot your mask at home, we have them available for you. The same goes for sanitizing wipes. We've also made sure hand sanitizing stations are always nearby. We know your personal space is highly important, even when it's limited. Before you get to the airport, download the Alaska mobile app to ensure your travels are as smooth and contactless as possible. At the airport, where crowding is usually a concern, we've taken extra care with floor decals and signage at check-in to remind everyone to stay 6 feet apart. At the gate, boarding procedures have been updated so guests board by row numbers in smaller groups from the back to the front. On board, we've capped ticket sales and blocked off seats for better physical distancing. On the day of travel, if you're uncomfortable with the distance between you and others, please let us know. Cleanliness has always been a top priority, but the next level involves techniques that reduce the already low risk of onboard transmission. By partnering with medical and industry experts, we're able to comply and exceed guidelines and make sure they're safe for all of our guests. A dedicated cleaning crew covers the most critical spaces and surfaces using a high-grade EPA disinfectant. That includes overhead bins, armrests, seat belts, tray tables, door handles and knobs, lavatories, and other touch points throughout. We are also using electrostatic disinfectant sprayers, which emit safe, high-grade EPA cleaning solutions that adhere to and sanitize surfaces. We thoroughly audit these procedures to ensure the aircraft are as clean as possible for your trip with us. Airport services like check-in counters, kiosks, and gate counters are also routinely cleaned. Our aircraft are equipped with systems that contain 2 HEPA filters, the same kind found in hospital operating rooms. The HEPA filters are 99.9% effective or greater in removing particulate contaminants, including viruses like COVID-19 and other bacteria. The air comes from the top and flows out from your feet, meaning there's completely new air in the entire cabin every 2 to 3 minutes. If you want more filtered air, simply open the vent above you. That air is filtered for your seat only. While making connections with places and people is kind of our thing, we've reduced the ways in which guests and employees connect in person. Our food and beverage service on board has been reduced to limit interaction. We know we miss a signature fruit and cheese platter too. In the meantime, we encourage you to bring your own food and your own water bottle to fill before you fly. We're still connecting, just from a safe distance. While the experience may feel a little different the next time you fly, you can count on our values to stay the same, with the safety and care of our people always coming first. You'll see our commitment to next-level care in everything we do. And when it's time to fly, we'll be ready to take your travels to the next level too. Thank you for choosing us.